Today, we'll unlock the power of straightforward and efficient backups for your precious Google Cloud Storage data. Are you ready? Let's roll and create a new bucket in a new project. Now, as you might know from our past tutorials, selecting a multi-region area begets a touch more availability. However, remember your wallet might not be as happy. In today's case, might we sway towards a multi-region backup using the standard storage class? We're doing this under the assumption that we're accessing this data quite often. Google Cloud Storage already has several safety nets in place to cushion the blow of an accidental data deletion. One great feature in the soft delete policy, which is automatically enabled, holding on to deleted objects for a predetermined period. It also flaunts an object versioning and retention system. All fabulous ways to toughen up your buckets, but what about moving or copying data outside of the bucket? That's where a solid backup strategy comes in, and we're about to break it down further. Alright, let's invite our example file to the party. A memento from our summer holiday, a simple image, will serve as our guinea pig. We can't stress this enough. If you're planning to back up data outside of the Google Cloud Storage bucket, opt for a straightforward, budget-friendly setup in a different multi-region and a different project. So let's light up that concept. We'll whisk over to a secondary project now and create our backup using a new bucket. To dial up availability, a different multi-region is a good pick. In this case, we're mirroring our region to the European Union. Your backup might prefer a cheaper storage class. That's why we'll go with cold line here. Remember those data protection measures we mentioned earlier? They tend to make less sense for a backup bucket, but they're perfect for the primary one. Now, our backup bucket has a brand new project and region. However, we still have to establish the backup job courtesy of Google Cloud Storage Transfer Service. This fantastic service empowers you to create transfer jobs and back up your Google Cloud buckets without any heavy lifting or code. We'll choose to accomplish this in batches to cut down on network traffic. For our source, we'll pick that different project and select our bucket. We can filter our backup data if we want to, but today we're going all in. Let's back up everything. Depending on your needs, you might have to adjust your backup frequency. Drawer number 1 for many is a daily backup. Take note we have some pivotal final settings, especially regarding metadata options. For example, do you want to reuse object ACLs? In our case, we don't need that. However, preserving the original creation time of an object as custom metadata is a detail we'd like to keep. Our incremental backup approach means we'll only back up new data each day to keep costs low. We'll avoid unnecessary file deletion in our backup bucket. Let's create the job. We can then monitor its progress and verify data integrity through checksums. This minor backup job took only about 2 seconds to run. We can check the run history and expect our new daily backup job to run smoothly without errors or skipped data. Now let's revisit our cloud storage and refresh the contents. And voila! There's our summer holiday picture carefully preserved and stored in our backup bucket. We hope this video was enlightening. Don't forget, we always welcome your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy responsibly.